In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, then go to contacts and mark the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. So here you've got Andrew. To add profile picture to this contact, you need to tap on edit, and now click on this profile picture icon, which is the camera one, and now you can take a photo or choose something from your gallery. Let me choose something from my gallery, for example this one. Now you can zoom it in or out, just tap on confirmation mark, and here you can customize the picture. Tap on confirmation mark again, and for the third time to save, and that's it. As you can see, the profile picture has been added. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.